Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power to the system at the breaker and confirming the unit is dead. Safety first. Next, remove the vent grill with the appropriate screwdriver or by releasing clips, then set screws aside so nothing gets lost. Once the grill is off, visually inspect the duct collar, damper, and surrounding drywall for gaps, disconnected ducts, or debris. This quick inspection shows you whether you need a simple cleaning, a reseal, or a replacement part before moving deeper into repairs. Once the vent is open, vacuum the duct mouth and grill thoroughly, using a brush and mild cleaner to remove grime or light mold. This improves airflow and indoor air quality. Next, reseal any visible gaps with foil HVAC tape or mastic. Do not use cloth duct tape since it fails over time. Then realign the vent damper and tighten mounting screws. If louvers or mesh are torn, replace those components now. These steps restore a proper seal and smooth airflow, preventing energy loss and noise. Reattach the grill securely, restore power, and run the system while checking airflow strength, temperature change, and any unusual noise. This verifies the repair. If airflow remains weak, make sure no obstructions exist further inside the duct, and inspect flex ducts for kinks or collapse. 1/4 of common problems come from upstream issues. Finally, if the damper motor or actuator is noisy or non-responsive, consider replacing that part or calling an HVAC technician. Complex.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.